Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a crew logo in Blox Fruit. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So what you need to do is to first upload your crew logo or decal. Kickstart the process by logging into your account on Roblox. Once logged in, find the Create tab, typically located at the top of the page. If available, select Manage My Experiences. This may automatically direct you to the necessary page. Next is to access development items. Once you're on the designated page, look for the development items section. This is where you can control your decals, which include any custom crew logos you may want to add. Now, upload your custom logo. Under Decals, you'll find an option to upload your own asset. If you wish to use a fresh and personalized crew logo, this is where you can do so. There are plenty of free images available online for your use, or you can craft your own using any graphic designing tool. Just remember to keep it square shaped. Adhere to format and size criteria. Before clicking on Upload Asset, ensure that your file adheres to the required format. So those are JPEG or JPEG, then PNG, TGA, or BMP, and does not exceed the maximum file of 20 MB. Then next, or the last one, is to name your logo and upload. So finally, to differentiate your logo from other files, give it a fitting name and description. After this, click to upload the file. Uploading may take a few moments, but once completed, your logo will be available under development items in the decal section. This step-by-step guide should make it easy for any Blox Fruits enthusiast to create and upload their unique crew logo, enhancing their overall gaming experience. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!